Jamaica Good Life right now. We're going to take a ride to Leader Avenue. Watch yourself. Upper deck, welcome right now. You know, Montego Bay, nice and high up. This is Randy. Give thanks to the Almighty. People, thank you for watching. We just go through Jamaica. I want to show you Jamaica beautiful. It's not just crime. Its purpose or its mission is to bring you home so we can build our nation. I'm a nation builder. We spend so long in foreign land and we never sacrifice enough to build our nation. So we have a second chance to do my part. So I'm doing it right now by spending my life to tour out Jamaica to find the good. So we can build a network among each other, understand business here and how the country works. If we leave the country alone, it will not improve. So part of this mission, like a Marcus Garvey mission, is to continue to promote our country, Jamaica, and continue to learn and continue to make it better so our next generation can make it better. So now right now I'm in Montego Bay and my virgin told me about leaders. There is different place here and I'm going to try to navigate here, you know, and learn as much as I can about this great place here. So we're gonna go down, take a right and see the homes. Seems like there's a secondary school here or something. So now this is alright. So right now we're at, wow, okay. So today is just a random drive again. No snow, so this road won't be slippery, but alright, this way to Kings. I'm gonna take a over straight down. So so people who notice this area, I know you're excited. So this seems like a school or something over here. Section is this? Okay, this is a different way to get to here. Okay, we're back in the city. So I don't want to be in the city. I don't want to be this way. So let me see if I can go back to where I'm coming from. I wanted to continue to go into the mountains. Kevin, I know you're going to say, no, Ron, you make the wrong turn. Everybody, what's the life going on? You know, pushing and the fighting. All we must do is continue uniting. And the struggle and the fighting. We must keep uniting. The separation. Build one nation. The segregation. Pier elevation. Hey. And at the new radio station. Stop the migration, staying at Jamaica. Sam Sharp there. This is right now the Great Sam Sharp Park. So now I know how to get to the park from here. So now this is the park. This is Sam Shark. This is the Sam Shark Square. Yeah man, so this is the Montego Bay Square. So now I know how to get here from Leaders. And we're gonna drive back around again until we get this thing. Until we learn how to do this. So this is the square. Easy for drive with one hand and get through the thing, you know. Sam Sharp, hero, freedom fighter, just like Randy, put up on the light. National Museum of the West Indies. I need to go to the Rastafari National West Indian Gallery. Oh no, with COVID it's probably not open, sorry. Yeah man, put up on the light, freedom fighter, Montego Bay Cultural Center. So we have to deal with that at some point and check it out. Hopefully it will open up when COVID done. September, it seems like everything will go get back to normal. So this is the Montego Bay Square where the people hang out, everything expensive, and there, yes people, that's how you deal with it. This is Jamaica Good Life. It's not a Cub Life, hot feet, yeah, eye view, save you. Well, I come from a long way, a long way where I come from. Jamaica Good Life, man called Trusty Nadisha, and all the people that enjoy the journey. Man called Carl Baxter, big up yourself. People stop being battle on the shelf, participating in government. Only way this nation will go survive is when you keep it alive. So people that do everything, they just move and keep moving. So Montego Bay is just like anywhere else in Jamaica. Land of food and water, people just are moving and do them thing. Right at the courts building. Now the must, you know, so everything is everything. Harmony Park. You know, some really want to go over leaders around the sun, really take the right turn and see what I'm doing. So I know about the courts building. Bicycle, you would watch yourself. So I know we take a right here and I go back on the main. Keep it normal. Jump back on the main road here, so alright, give me a stoplight. So this is Pier 1. Right over there's a Harmony Park. So now get the gist of things. So Montego Bay is not what it seems. More time you get off of the airport and you hear people say Montego Bay, violence, and you mustn't go there. As a matter of fact, everywhere in the world and even in Jamaica, there's violence and goodness. So it's not one particular place. So you have to discover places and get to learn. Because every time you step out of your house, for the Almighty, you must give thanks, anything can happen. But you must not be afraid of the world. So Pier 1, if you Google Pier 1, best seafood, some of the best food in Montego Bay, I always talk about it. So right after Pier 1 turning, you'll get up to the Harmony Park. So I'm learning about this, you know. So the stoplight will come now. So as you can see, that's just a mall or something. So right over there, so you go to Pier 1. People are moving over here. So if you look at Jamaica and you see the people going about their business, and more of this is going to happen throughout Jamaica. People are going about their business. Jamaican people are very busy. Nobody have no time for sit around and no sun. Everybody have to make their money to pay their rent. Waterman all deliver water on his bike. So now we're going back to Leaders again because I took the wrong turn. Just so you understand, there is a place called Bottom Road, and what them call it, bottom road and top road. So if we take a left here, that will go towards the beach. That's bottom road. If we take a top here, that's top road. You see me? So at the same it's going towards the same direction towards the airport. It's just one bottom and one top. Same way go towards the tourist them, right? So we just went over that section, which is the main city. We're going back up there. We're not going to turn right when we go up there again. We are going to take a left because we want to navigate the mountains and see what's over there on that side. So this random drive is brought to you by Mind Your Business and Shut Your Mouth. That is what Jamaica Good Life is about. So we're driving in Montego Bay and showing you what the place is like. Right again, right, just so. I do the thing. Upper deck. Make sure so I don't have a good car. Them hilly and now, man. Oh, look, I think they don't have no snow. I want to drive through Jamaica the whole night still, because I only have to hold the camera. So sometimes people say to me, Ronnie, hold the camera straight. I'm driving, people. I'm holding the camera with my hand. Easy now? I want to understand and give thanks for this program. You know, easy for drive and film and be safe at the same time. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a left and see what's over there. Remember, we just passed here. We're going to take a left. And we're not going to take a right next time. So the first thing I want to do, because my friend Kevin tell me, we're not going to go back down there, we're going to go up here. So my virgin tell me, say, I'm going to reach us, so I must go and tell me where my house there. So this is kind of like the old Montego Bay. So we're kind of getting into the location where the people them live, Davis Avenue, and alright, let's see now. Yes. Alright, so now I'm talking about them house, a Mango Walk. No, Mango Walk. This is Peace View. So now Mango Walk. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to go in here. So Mango Walk. Welcome to Mango Walk. So this is a neighborhood, like a residential neighborhood, and there's townhouses for sale. So if you like in Montego Bay, so the townhouse for sale there. Get the number, pause the video. Right, that's it. Townhouse for sale, Mango Walk. I guess the view will take you there. So if one of you say, wow. Okay, nice. So you can buy a townhouse and look over the view for the ocean. See around the fine house for now again. Have nice cool breeze up here, so you know, so beautiful. There's the ocean over there. This is Mango Walk. So you can Google it and get a townhouse. So you can use the townhouse on the weekend and live in the country for the one and go to the beach. Simple thing, simple maths. So that's it. And do what you got to do. Trying to make dreams come true. Alright. Nice and easy. Okay, so this is Mango Walk. This is the concealed driveway. Alright. How about this now? Gated community, so you can't just go in there. Okay, so what them lock me out of Mango Walk? Because basically them lock me out. Hawkeye, them lock me out. So I can't go and take a tour. They lock me out of Mango Walk, people. So this is the whole setup. Okay, so it go. These are some of the old homes in the neighborhood. So Mango Walk itself is like a gated community over there. And this is the old place. So these are some of the older original homes. And one thing I love about Montego being near to the airport is that the ocean view is beautiful. If you buy a house on top, oh, so some place I know. This is what Kevin did tell me about. Oh, this is what Kevin did tell me about. Him say if you go further down, you start to some house. So now, where is this gonna take me? Beautiful. So everywhere in Jamaica has its unique look. This is the kind of things I'm gonna show you. Look, go sneak around here. So when I go back down to the town, everywhere in Jamaica has its unique look. I hope the police are not following me. I'm a big man, so they have neighborhood watch. Right or left, people, right or left, right or left, make we take a right. Everywhere in Jamaica has its own look. I don't like how the car there, I follow me every move and I make, you know. So watch me on them blouse and skirt now, watch me. There's no way you can be following me for so long and every move me take you or take. So what that area need? Boom. So now we're going to Paradise Heights. Around here, so them say a bad place. This is Paradise Heights. Alright. St. Paul's Avenue, Paradise Heights. Everywhere in Jamaica, throughout the whole place. Oh, dead end, my friend. Okay. All right. On the road. So Paradise Heights we connect when we take the left. So we'll go through. As you can see, everywhere in Jamaica, the progress is happening. The progress is happening, basically. So, just like Kingston in a way. So everywhere in Jamaica, the progress is happening. Nice homes. A little bit like Mandeville, not totally. That means that if you go up that way, yeah, you're going up higher. Check it out. Adventure is what we desire. Look from the view. Hi. We're going up high. One thing with MoBay, you know, you have some here, they say. Kevin, you know about them places. I know you're going to say something. People, them are living, you know. Slow down, right there. Easy. Okay. So then you come from here, so Davis. People, them are live. Cut through here, so cut through just so. Montego Bay Country Club, see that? Past that. So this Montego Bay Country Club is one I can buy on a little condo and look over into the ocean. It's definitely secure, see there? Getting a little place in a Montego Bay, them have some for sale over there. Check it out, Google it, Montego Bay Country Club. So around there, so that's the ocean view after you buy your little condo. So it's beautiful in Montego Bay because of the ocean view. So if you want to buy a little condo, you get a nice little ocean view. And the cool breeze is up here. So we discovered just a little bit what was around this area. And that's a just nice, good discovery as far as Montego Bay Mango Walk is concerned. Now, another person told me for sale. There's the for sale sign. I want to deal with it. Alright? I have to deal with everything. Randy always take care of it. Now we're going to take a right. This time, a little further up. This way. Randy, a bad time driver. Man, a survivor. Brooklyn. Big up on yourself. Pretty and English from Brooklyn, big up on yourself. I'm a Brooklyn people. I'm a Brooklyn massive them. Enough time I not big up Brooklyn, you know. Brooklyn, 31 years me there Brooklyn and I don't big up Brooklyn. So Brooklyn people watch the program, big up on yourself. Florida, UK, New York, big up on yourself. I always a big up the Jamaicans them, but now I'm big up my real people them. Brooklyn will come from. You see me? So we also drive through, see what opportunity and what go on in Jamaica. As you can see, from you live over there, so you see the ocean. So this is the place that Kevin told me about. So him say, yo, you see a place. So now what I'm going to do now is leaders in apartments, the right here. So remember this, right? So then we're going to come out of the road down there. So now that is going back to the airport. So now this will exiting leaders again. We take a left, we go back on the main. Right? So basically we tore out the thing and kind of give a daily feel what it's like being in Jamaica in the day with a good car, air conditioner up. That's what's up. Put a $7,000 in the car to get some gas. I want to thank the lady there for the gas money the last time. So the more gas on they send me, the more I'm going to go different places, hit the road and go check it. Because we do this for the program. It's an adventure for me, but it gives you an idea of what I'm talking about when I say Jamaica is not what you think. Of course, people get mixed up and they hurt each other and robbery happens. But in the daytime, when it's a business time and you're going about your business, and you stay on your main roads and you know what you're doing, Jamaica is a different life. You go from X, you know where you're going, and you know your surroundings. Like if I'm in Montego Bay, no, I drive around and get lost and figure out where I am to see different places so I can understand the place. So you have to kind of sometimes take a risk and drive around and see what's what. You can't just be so afraid that you don't know what's around you, because if anything happens, you know, you meet people say, yeah man, up a Mango Walk, me stay. Okay, so them know say you're there, but you know the place, you might not stay there, but you can't tell a lie and say, yeah man, a Mango Walk, me there now. So them know say you're familiar, and the more you're familiar with a place, is the less people bother you, because them know say you know the place. So you have to get to know Jamaica and randomly drive more time and deal with the thing. So that is what I love. I know now how to get around. I know so when I take a right, this are leaders, I get back into the town, and I know the exit, so I know about leaders now. So good. I know about Iron Shore. So now the next thing we want to go through a Rose Hall and tell me about Rose Hall. And comment on this video if you want me to go somewhere. Come just like to drive by myself. People say they like it more time when I drive by myself and talk the foolishness, because you know, different people, different things, you know. So that was a nice little adventure, just for show a little bit of Montego Bay. I don't claim to know everywhere and everything, and I'm not claim to have all the answers. I'm just a guy looking and seeing what Jamaica is like, rediscovering Jamaica. For not being, this is the first time this year I'm driving in Jamaica like this, and it's an adventure for me. Well, growing up 31 years in the States, you hear big man talk about Jamaica, and because you leave when you're young, you're 14, you don't really know Jamaica, so you hear the man them say, yeah man, I'm going back one and take a right over there, say, yeah, over there, and them talk, and you say, yeah, but now man, you know, new kids, you know, legally around there, sir, you take a left on Hope Road, and you say, you don't know no Kingston, kayak countryman, and you've been in New York so long, but you don't know Jamaica. So now, from that to the man, them when I know Jamaica, it's kind of nerve-wracking even for drive. So my recommendation is, you get a right steering vehicle like a Voxy. A Voxy is nice to purchase, about 13,000 US. I've purchased it from the Japan people them. If you don't want links, I have links. And buy a Voxy, get something high, get something where you can bring things and bring your family. Now get a look a low car. Voxy is a good height. You can put 17-inch tires on it or whatever. I love how the Voxy them drive. Powerful. They have parts for them, a lot of space. And if you don't like driving Jamaica, they're perfect because the height. And with the car having the steering on the right side, that helps a great deal, because you're going to stay on the left. And when you're driving in the nighttime, don't look at the vehicle coming towards you. There's no stoplights. I mean, there's no lights sometimes. When you're driving in Jamaica in the night, just all you have to do, stay close to the left. Just look in the corner and just gauge the corner. Shine your light in the corner. Turn your high beam off. Turn it on constantly to see the road. Some of them will turn their high beam off. Some of them will not. So if you're not an expert like Randy, don't drive in the night. It's scary for driving at night in Jamaica. So me just looking at the left corner and stay to my left, because the light them so bright in your face when the car them are coming, because there's no street lights in some places. You feel like you're gonna go blind. Them look and them now turn out, them now consider you can't see because the high beam in your eye. And them now turn it off. So back to Harmony Park. So let's see, we passed Harmony Park 2 times. This is coming from the airport. You'll see the KFC when you come from the airport. So you kind of get an idea now. When you come from the airport, you say to yourself, Oh, around there I drive. Okay, Montego Bay not that bad. So now over to that side, that's where the city is. That's where all the city is, and I'll show you the road where you get to the market, and there's a craft place. Now, one thing I don't rate in a Montego Bay, I don't rate the market. The market itself could be a little bit more spacious, and they have parking at the market. That's one good thing. There's parking at the market, but by the time you go in and come out, it's stressful. So here's parking at the market. That's a good thing, but it's dirty. Montego Bay people tell no government or parliamentarians and vegetarians to clean up the market in Montego Bay, renovate it, space it out a little bit and give the people them some better place for sit down. Good thing about Montego Bay, there's food delivery. So basically, you have food delivery in Montego Bay, so you have food delivery in MoBay. Alright, we want a cashew, $100 cashew. Yeah. Yo, 100. Alright, boss. See there, just like that, $100. I know nothing much, but don't put in the mouth on the plastic, alright, people? Don't. Where service is just the beginning. Technical Service Division. Okay. Caribbean producers. Alright, CPJ. So remember saying Jamaica hot. Now there's a place called Secrets. Now let me show you something now. If we go into Secrets, I can go into Secrets and pay near $40 for the day to go into Secrets, and it's another private beach. You can have food and thing. So I went there once with my daughter and it was nice. Now the craft places are over there, and we have to take a left to go to the market. So today was a good driving day, and still where I'm gonna go next is another place that Kevin tell me about. So comment on this video and tell me somewhere else to go, and so me can say Mandeville, I drive certain places. MoBay, I go certain places. I want to go Tower Isles, evening. Give the man a $50. Give my money. Yes, my brother. Take care of yourself here. And you must always take care of the madman them in Jamaica, because mental illness is real. And mental illness is real. So I always take care of the madman them. When I come to Jamaica, I have food in the car and give it to them. And I will have money quickly in your dashboard, because that's how you buy your peanut and your juice. And support the people them up on the road. Big up to all the Montego Bay fans, them, the people that must see me. Go tours, me soon check you. And the other youth that we meet. So I just become busy and I sleep more time, and certain things happen to me more time. And I'm a family life, I have my local youth, and but they don't try to learn the country and thing. I have to go back to some youth and thing. But I love the place, man. I learn a lot. So one of the bar on the cash route, don't put to the mouth on it, because one thing with them vendors on the street, certain things you buy from them, you have to watch how you eat. That's all they have. Cash feels good. I know, peanut. $100 for cash, so about 90 cents, 80 cents US. If you shop at the market, the cheese on my buy today pissed me off, because the cheese costs $800 for some slice of cheese. 10 slices of cheese costs $800, $6 that. I wasn't really happy about that still. But the cashew tastes good. Now, the There's another turn off him telling me we're going to Chilani. Now how do I go about doing my videos? One time I get up and I just move. I see people that interview people now on YouTube and I want to kill out themselves. I give thanks for my fans them. My fans them, some of them watch all the show from beginning to end. Cause it's just a good vibration, we just make you feel like say you're in a Jamaica. That's what I do right now. I want to make you feel like say you're here. That's why you just push up my face on the camera. Now you're looking at my nose. No. I show you Jamaica to make you feel like you're here. And feel like you experience it with me. So that's why I do it the way I do it. Constantly. So we say like or share, but if we have the love button, to tear up the love button, because I know someone love it. So now, what we are going to do now, the coffee that tastes like it fresh from this morning. Escobar. You see that Jamaica Good Life. It's not a Good Life. Don't forget Jamaica Good Life Farmers. Jamaica Good Life Women's Edition. Do I show them the Women's Edition? I look for raise some money and take out an ad on the radio station. You know, so we want to find out how much the ad them cost on the radio station, and we do an ad and we put out an ad. No violence against women. Woman invent mathematics. Woman are where the 10 commandments come from. Ma'at. Woman are where invent farming. So no can't put on a handspan foundation. A woman take care of picnic and house picnic. A woman make we nice and happy. A woman soft and nice and sexy. How not go put hand on a woman? For what? Because we have to teach the man them now. Some of the man them have low self-esteem and some of the women them cheat too. So in a mix up thing, walk away. Sometimes when me and a woman argue, what me do? You know what the first thing me do? When my sister the thing start get a certain way, I say, you know what, better text me or email me right now. No, I really want to get into it with, you know. I know more time you face people and you start talking to them directly, things start really escalate. So what me like to do is like me and her sister now argue. What me would do now is just say to her, look, email me or text me. I can't reply to that, but now I'm going to reply to the loud talking, because if you have a temper, me have a temper, and if something will go wrong, we can resolve it through different change and balance, different communication. So what we want to do with the Woman Edition show is we want to raise money, find out the cost of advertising at Jamaica and radio, and we want to take out an ad on the radio. This is Jamaica Good Life, Women's Edition. Woman no fi lick, woman no fi kick, woman no fi thump, woman no fi burn, woman fi love, woman fi take care, woman fi celebrate. So we have to come out with an ad and make the man them know, say, hey man, be a man, don't be a boy. Woman is not a toy. Woman, don't cheat per man and take man money and then just keep calling them honey and give them bun. Cause some man can't take bun. They might bun down your house down. So be careful, it takes two. In every relationship, it takes more than one, it takes two. So me I'm trying to say is that no do. We're in a relationship. And if you see start get violent, involve the police. 119 are the police number that, or call the hotline. Don't call Randy. Because I can't do nothing for now. I want to get in a relationship in the first place. So we have to go take out some ads on radio. If we play them things, they have to start educate the man them. You see? And especially the dancehall man them, you know. The Jamaica Good Life Women's Edition new show is to talk to the dancehall man them too. You hear me I say? If we really want unity in Jamaica, we have to have a way to have a mailing list where we can email. We have to get all the pastors' email lists, right? And we have to get all the dancehall soundman them phone number. And we have to so once we start network the different subsection of Jamaica, like the dancehall man them, and so now we can make them all agree to send out a certain message to them constituents, all the radio station them. So we're upon one code. So the code can simply be, you know, man education towards woman. Some of the man them can't read and them set up them business and give to the woman. And some of the woman them do them wrong. So we have to teach man, cause me as a man in a life, me do woman wrong already. Woman do me wrong. And that's how life set. Letting go is a difficult thing to do, but it can be done. So maybe the ads can say upon the radio, letting go of the pain she caused you is a hard thing to do. You cause her pain too. Uh-oh, a little accident right there. So, oh man, the truck had turned. How did that happen? 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 Look at that. Just you know to rat it. Dig off the back of the truck to rat it. Just you know you see life. You see how life short, but they all talk nice. You see how it go? That's why I know people, you know, give thanks for life and give thanks to the Almighty. And give thanks to the one them. You see that? And that's why people are foreign and I must tell the people to wear a seat belt. Wear a seat belt. Wear a seat belt. You know, so what just happened? The truck almost lick off half of the vaccine. And I don't know how that happened. Just say I know. You see that? So right now we're gonna go over here so a little bit. I think over here so Kevin and tell me about some nice house over here, so you know. Some little exclusive thing over here, so go on here, so we're gonna see what going over here, so I want a bus to lick me. Watch me. The good thing, you know, you see the Juta tour business, I want to know how it work, you know, cause a lot of Jamaican man are buy them big bus, you know, and them are work and make money. So watch them. You see how them bad driving there. So you're going to do. We're going to check over here, so and see what I'm going. If over here, so the house them there. So we know, say, alright, we'll go up, so go up. So alright, we'll go up another lane here. So this is the lane where Kevin had tell me about, so you're around it. They have some little heights. Uncle house now, a little lane. Down here, so. So this is how we talk a whole heap of foolishness. Some of it wise. Why may I tell you, instead of the accident that quiet, just in a real time, that's all. So there's a little section here where I'm telling about where some nice, it old fashioned, the road not bad. But it overlook the scenery. Oh, what that place a name? Why the road so bad, brother? Alright, so basically, yeah, I want to look a place over here somewhere. Hey, are you responsible for the road? You don't see the road bad? When you go fix it? I know. Where the place has a name? Alright, fix the road, man. One thing about Jamaica, I want to tell you something about Jamaica. You can't stop anywhere and talk to anybody. That's why I love it. Mango tree. Alright, now check it out. Remember, so my car tire soon need changing, so I need to donate so to change the car tire. Or else I'm not going to stop here the foolishness at all. It's a Bogue Heights Boulevard. Alright. Let's go check it out. Look on the beautiful tree there, man. Logan View Walk. Alright, beautiful Jamaica. Do your thing. Yeah, man. You see there? There's some older house, but the people that might live them life and I do everything. Clap them, you know. See them, man. Nice. Hey. Yeah, man. I love to see when Jamaica make progress. Because all the negativity what them talk about. Coasting out. And what the people are talking about coasting out. Remember the new drink with Jamaica? Whoa, look at them nice house up on top. Ah, that place. This Kevin did that talk about. Kevin, I'm a general, you know, brother. I know same love for your name on the video all day. Kevin run Montego Bay. Kevin, I'm a G. See it there? Okay, this is a boat in the heights. Okay, so the old boat. See them holes there and thing. Okay. Alright. Come true. So look at those houses on top over there. Let's go check them out. See, adventure is what we're about. Gas soon done to rot. It's a gas tank empty. Better go walk on my yard quick before me turn off the AC, boy. Well, there's a gas station nearby over there. AC off, see some gas. Alright. So now this, you see Montego Bay have these a Pier mountain there, man. Them build them house be up on top of the mountain. Okay. Oh, sleeping police. Always carry a little bit of gas in the car. Alright, make a turn back soon, cause so this is Julia Crescent. So you see how Montego Bay is, and they're high up on the mountain, so the view here is beautiful. Alright, let's get back someplace that we can get some gas. Just like when your grandmother work at one big house and clean for the rich people, then on one weekend them invite you over. I want to open up their fridge and see a whole heap of food and say, Mama, look how much food they have in the fridge. Remember when we did poor, I would go to rich people's yard and everything nice and the fridge they big. Remember say we fridge door did rusty and we used to play with gig. And now we used to do a tie out with hog and tie out with pig. But when you go to the people them big house, we say, Mama, me see the house them big. When we in our little mud kitchen. A mud kitchen where you come from, you know? So no bad things around there, no rich man. And that's why I saw an article with the thing. A mud kitchen where you come from, you know? Now we're in Manchester. See that? See the view? See that? Yes, people. So you get to see, take that turn there, and you get to see up high. And up here, so secure. I'll go with my car now. I'm going to gas up there. I don't have time for this. I always have cash in the car underneath the seat. Always. And don't touch it. Because if the car run out of gas, and I have to go get someone for get gas. Now look at how them man build them houses. Way up on top. That's a back road. Go see there? Land for sale. That's what I tell you, say, Comet Drive. That's how them people are living, you know. One man where I'll get him house and All the rich people them. See that? See the view there. And them just look out. Land for sale. You see what I tell on the people? Alright. Alright, go zoom in. See the number there. Land for sale 876-819-0000. Land for sale 876-819-0000. You buy land up here, you can't fail. Land for sale. Can't tell me. Can't say me never did tell them. So buy a piece of them land around there, so you wouldn't know, cause there's places you don't go. So hopefully make sure me get gas money, cause enough places me show no, and if you buy the land, leave it for no grand picking it them. The view is amazing. And me need no car tire too. Big up to the lady that Pauline will send me the gas money, because we're going to tour out Jamaica and show us Jamaica beautiful. So if you don't have no fear, we're breaking down on a fear. So you can live up top, up in the air. Jamaica forever. 10 years from now, them the land there, triple in a price. You buy land, you're nice. You can't. Real estate is the most important thing. So the man blink and blinks. Do your thing, my brother. Alright. Right here, the bad car. Yes, people, what a journey, sir. Hopefully the gas not done for me. I could get out, roll along the hill and go to the gas station. Thanks for the vaccine, man. Take me through the hills and valley. What a drive today, what a journey. Thank you for watching and thank you for coming along with me through the hills and valley. Beautiful Jamaica. Look on the view, look there. Look how beautiful that is right there. And zoom in on that, look how nice that is. We up on top, so them build them little thing on top there, so Julie, and it's beautiful right at Julie Crescent. They can keep going up, so there's more to go, and they just keep going up. So I've always seen these houses from the flats, and I always wonder, where is that? And as you can see, look at the view. So this is up top. So this is how people in Montego Bay park everywhere, and they keep building. So as you can see, no little dirty boy run up and down with them bike and make noise and chastise nobody. People have security here, sit in front of them porch and relax and retire. So it's a matter of making up your mind and know that Jamaica is one of a kind. We have the biggest tourist board. Look on camera set up, you can't move without them know say you're there. So where was the entrance? This is the road that Kevin told me to turn off. He says it's a little road that you turn off on. And this was the road what he told me about. It's Bogue Hill. It's a little road when you go to Bogue Heights Drive. So I go get gas now. So until next time, I love when you like cook food. Take care of yourself. Stay good. Life.